Hello, welcome to the point 20 release of the desktop and web version of Routine, which is macOS, Windows, Linux, and web. Now, this release is a lot about the new Note editor, which we have completely reworked so that it provides a good base for us to improve the user experience in the future when it comes to manipulating text, blocks, and visualizing data in the Note editor. But already you can see some benefits. The first one is the caret, which when you move it between blocks, in the past it was moving at the end or at the beginning. It was kind of hard to keep track of where it would land. Now it's always kind of positioned at the same place between blocks. Another major improvement is that now you can select text in between blocks. You can also format it, which is also something that we have completely reworked. And likewise, the hyperlink has been completely reworked so that you can very easily manipulate those links, including keyboard shortcuts so that with Command K or Control K to very quickly attach a link to some text. Another major improvement is the search when it comes to searching data in your notes. So for instance, if you search for February, it's going to match data, and as you can see here, with the snippet. But more interesting is that when you select that result, it's going to scroll down to the right position and highlight the block, which matches the expression you were searching for, which again is very handy for knowing what you were looking for. Another thing that we have completely reworked is the whole design with the padding, the font, the size. So it just feels better. And we are going to continue in the coming weeks and months to improve that user experience so that the Note editor really becomes a central place for you to just save all of your information. Other things that we have been working on is, on one side, the dark mode, which now you have a system possibility, which is going to basically mimic your system operating system preferences. So if you put it as auto, for instance, it's going to follow the system automatic detection of if it's in the night, it's going to switch automatically to the dark mode, or otherwise during the day, maybe not use it. And finally, we have introduced two new screens, plan and billing to manage your subscription, including access your invoices and also change your plan. Just know that if you were a believer of Routine from the early days, you will be on a legacy plan, which is slightly cheaper than the professional plan, which we have just launched a few weeks ago. Now, in the coming weeks and months, again, we are going to improve the Note editor with more blocks. So code, which a lot of you have been requesting, callouts. We work the whole thing so that we can nest any block under any other block. But also, very soon, we will launch the Android app officially and the offline mode for all platforms, iOS, Android, web, Windows, Mac, and Linux. So stay tuned. Thank you.